Let's do 100 comments and then I will post a part 2 of the Savannah haul early. So I really was looking forward to this, but it's a little disappointed me. But it's okay, मुझे क्या भागना है कोई मैराथन में ही बैठे हैं because it is giving a little coach का copy. I have really found out some really good pieces for like a summer wardrobe, and if people are looking for that, they should really watch this video. And I'm so dumb. जाकर देखते हैं, पहन के देखते हैं, पसंद आएगा तो आएगा, नहीं आएगा तो This is part 2 of the Savannah haul, and I am here with a lot of saman. I'm gonna give you a list of what I've gotten. I have 2 dresses, 3 tops, 1 workout gym wear piece, 1 bag, and quite a few jewelry pieces to show you in this haul. So keep watching if you're interested in that, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janvi, and it is the part 2 of my Savannah haul. If you've not watched the part 1 yet, I would suggest you to go and watch it because there are some amazing dresses that I showed there as well. I think I showed more dresses over there, and this is going to be more about the top. If you want to see the one that I'm wearing as well, you should go to that one and then come and watch this. Let's not waste another minute and start with the haul. Pink or black? I think I'm going to go for the pink one. Let's go and change into this and come back. This is 100% something that my mom would love to wear, and I think she would look absolutely pretty and gorgeous and stunning in this. Firstly, let's talk about how pretty a color this is. It's like the most Pinteresty shade of pink that you will find today. And it has these white little embroidery. I love the design. I love how it's like nicely sleeved over here. It's fully modest because it's just like a little cinched from the waist. So it's not going to stick to your body too much. You're not going to feel hot. And you can sit in however position you want because it's a flared dress. It is not sticking to your body and it's not too short either. So perfect. I think I remember that the price of this was somewhere around 2500, and I think it is totally justified. Movement and frilby hair. Again, it is not at all see-through. It is just a long weave. If you're a little concerned about that, you might have to wear a slip, but otherwise it's totally avoidable if you just like close these strings. I didn't want to close it. That's why I'm keeping it right like this. The hemline is extremely beautiful. Look at that cut work. It's like that chicken wala work aata na, cut work. It is that, and that is absolutely stunning. Full dress pe they've given these beautiful embroidery things. पीछे कुछ नहीं दिया है, पीछे fully plain है. Literally it's like they didn't care only. पीछे से कौन देख रहा है तो करना ही नहीं कुछ भी. आगे at the waist there is also this cinching sort of a thing. It's a 3-tiered dress. I think all the moms would really like this because it's like pretty modest, pretty decent. I'm not generalizing the moms, but I've just seen people around me, and my mom herself likes such pieces, so I am just saying that she would love this. So let's move on to the other dress. Last dress of the day is this. Seems like it's an off-shoulder piece. जाके देखते हैं, पहन के देखते हैं, पसंद आएगा तो आएगा, नहीं आएगा तो देखते हैं. First impressions, I'm actually loving that neckline. I quite like how it is like a tie-up. Let's talk about the fitting because obviously it's a body-hugging dress again. I can barely move into it. Yellow वाले में मैं ज़्यादा easily move कर पा रही थी. Even the blue one though, but this is slightly more fitted, slightly more tighter that way. So that's why I can't move that much. Like while walking, मेरे steps ज़्यादा लंबे नहीं होंगे. But it's okay. मुझे क्या कुछ भागना है कोई मैराथन में ये पहन के. Just to tell you that this bow is not something that you can change, and I actually like that because हम कितना गंदा वो बनाते हैं जब भी बनाते हैं. तो आई थिंक इन लोगों ने स्टिच करके दे दिया है, वो बहुत अच्छा है. आई रियली लाइक कि इतना लंबा है तो इट एड्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ ड्रामा टू योर आउटफिट. अदरवाइज इट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ प्लेन ब्लैक ड्रेस, राइट? एंड दिस वाइट कलर थिंग at least added something to it. Amongst all the dresses, it is not the best dress, but it is also not the worst dress. One of the only cons that I found in this dress is also that इसका black इतना shiny नहीं लगा मुझे. Like I feel like it's a very beautiful dress, but it doesn't have that oomph in the black. You know, the black is not as jet black. It is very black, but if you just know what I mean, the parties may want to shine it out, and I feel like it's not as shiny. It's like toned down a black. It's not a dusty black, but it's just a little toned down. That's a very picky observation that I have. Thankfully, अभी हमारे सारे dresses खत्म हो गए हैं, and now I'm gonna move on quickly. Just move on to all the 3 tops. Okay, apparently we don't have 3 tops. We have only 2 tops, 2 more bags, and 1 pants. So I'm gonna go try the first top and the first pants together. So one of the best things about this top is, even though it's simply plain white, there's no extra color, there's no extra embroidery, but the texture is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. It feels like a good alternative to bikinis, you know, and it has like the tie-up of a bikini. It is good for people who don't want to wear that and want to wear this. I'm going to link all of this down. As for the pants are horrible. If I could give the lowest number to anything from this haul, it would be the pants because of the way it fits. I feel like the fitting is so off from the paunch side, at least the waist side, and that's one thing that should be fitting very well for you. So I really was looking forward to this, but it sort of disappointed me. So I would give this like a 5 on 10 for sure. I do like the designs, like the prints on the leggings, but the fitting is so off that I don't want to wear this more often. Let's talk about this top. Now, if you're not into sleeveless tops, you will definitely like this top because it is modest. It is denim, something that I'm loving these days. This is a very good quality of denim because it's like thick. Garmi lagegi is denim mein shayad, but it is a beautiful denim top and I want to show it to you. It's like those tie-off tops. You might have to wear something inside if you don't like something so open, but it's wow. You can wear like a tube top or you can wear your slip inside and still rock this outfit because it's pretty much covered apart from the fact that khali aage se open hai. You can wear it as a shrug as well, open shrug jaisa look, and it will look stunning. It's a little boxy as a top, and if you don't like such volume adding figures to your self, then don't buy this top. But if you like such loose fit top, then this is definitely something that you should eye. It's coquette with the bows and it is very structured with the denim and very casual, very fun. So I would 100% give this a go. I'm just loving denim these days and I'm making a denim fit for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Now I just have to show you all the accessories or all the bags. Let's start with that. First one. Okay, this looked really good in the picture. Doesn't look good so much right now, but let's open the package and see. Dude, this is good. I'm sorry I said anything for that because it's actually really nice. It looks like an expensive piece. पर कितना पतला है ये, literally there's no space in this. I hope अगर मैं अंदर चीजें डालूं तो it is able to keep things inside. काफी पतला बैग हो गया ये. पता है वो कॉइन पाउचेस होते हैं, इसके अंदर भर दो फिर नीचे से थोड़ा मोटा हो जाएगा, खुल जाएगा. तो I think it is like that. Super pretty guys. These two flowers that it has, really good. Moving on to a bag that is completely opposite to that one, and you will know why. It is so 2000 party core bag. Wow. Although I would have loved this if it was like actually denim, but I love this clutch. It looks so vintage. It definitely looks so different from the bags that I already have. And one thing to notice is that all the Savannah like such shoulder bags are like really long. Like look at this. It's longer than my face. So I think I can keep a lot of stuff inside. I thought it has like compartments, but एक ही dumping bag है. There's a thing to notice. इसका handle खाली इतना सा ही है. इसमें कोई sling नहीं आता. I'm a little concerned about this print because it is giving a little Coach ka copy. It's too cool. It's too cool for my personality. I think we're almost done apart from the fact that I have a robe and I have some jewelry pieces to show you. Okay, let's see the jewelry. First thing is a summer must have. Pretty. It's so fairy-like. Definitely like a level 1 and that's a level 2. And the hold is also pretty good, huh? Next up we have scrunchie. Okay, I'm not a scrunchie person, but you know nowadays these hairstyles are popping up and I'm loving it. And I just want to try it out like with like good scrunchies. And that's the main idea of the entire hairstyles, right? I think this is organza and then it has these different pearl detailing over there. I think it would look very elegant if I wear this. Next. You know you see those waist chains everywhere on Pinterest. This is what I got from Savannah. I'm definitely going to experiment more with these waist chains, but it is 100% like a trend that you would want to try and give it a chance. It does make you stand out from the crowd. If you cannot come to the Colaba markets or the Bandra market where you find all of these belts, then you can definitely order it from Savannah. The last jewelry piece, and then we have the final rope. This jewelry is such a surprise and I'll show you why. Wow. I have never worn something like that before. I've had arm cuffs, but this is so different. Imagine that yellow dress itself that I wore in the last video. That with this, too good guys, too good. I actually like this. It's a very unique jewelry find. But if you want to try the arm cuff trend, then I wouldn't suggest this. If you're a beginner, I would suggest more plainer ones. But if you're into the trend, then 100% this is the one that you should try. The last piece and the final one. Finally, it looks like a nice satiny material. Okay, it's definitely one of the pieces that I would not be able to wear just as is, but I definitely feel like I can wear this when I'm wearing my makeup and I don't want anything to transfer onto my outfit. Look at that frill niche, it's very cute. I wish I would have ordered the black robe as well, but I just thought let's order one and see how it goes. Okay, so that was the end of the huge Savannah haul. It was a 25,000 rupees Savannah haul, so obviously it had so many more items. But yeah, I'm so happy with the haul because every single outfit has like lived up to the mark and I've not wanted to return it. I'm so glad that I have a summer wardrobe upgrade now. I'm sure you're looking for those things as well. That's why you've clicked on a video that is a haul. So yeah, in case you want to buy right now or if you're saving up for next time, you should go and check the links of everything in the description box because these are some stunning pieces and I can vouch for the fact that everything fit really well. Everything, the quality was really nice. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, leave a like. Comment down below what other kind of videos would you like to see on this channel. And mainly don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you see my long forms just as much as you see my shorts too. Thank you so much for supporting me in what I love to do. Bye.